Ahead of its world premiere on August 14th at the Quail, the new Lamborghini Revuelto SV set the fastest production car lap ever recorded at the Hockenheimring. Lamborghini factory driver and test driver Marco Mapelli recorded a lap time of 1 minute 41.6 seconds in the new supersports car. Lamborghini said the Revuelto SV was developed to further increase performance while enhancing driving engagement. The company selected the Hockenheimring because its combination of high-speed sections, heavy braking zones, and technical corners provides a comprehensive evaluation of vehicle performance. Marco Mapelli said the Revuelto SV delivers a combination of performance, control, and driver engagement that allowed the record lap. Lamborghini will officially reveal the Revuelto SV on August 14th at the Quail during Monterey Car Week, where it will also present the Revuelto Miura 60th Anniversary Homage and debut the Urus SE Performante in the United States.